experience that's gained, right, when you're using all these different types of detection equipment, and the knowledge of what these different states of matter are, and can I identify them, right? So chemical detection, we talked about ticks and TIMs and CWAs and pharmaceutical-based agents and riot control agents and how they create some signs and symptoms, but what forms do they come in? How can they be dispersed or disseminated, right? So that happens in the accidental a lot, like just ammonia leaks in general. But we're looking at vapor, gas, and aerosol. And these handheld items and or remote items need to be able to do that. And so the technologies that we're looking at are photoionization detectors with 4 gas monitors. That's a confined space entry requirement anyway by OSHA. So everyone pretty much has those. But we need to have other technologies so we can verify and or go A plus B equals C. And we need to do it quickly, right? So detection devices, they actually see things quickly, and identification devices sometimes take a little longer. But ion mobility spectroscopy is another technology that we would want. FTIR for your transformed infrared spectroscopy, and then high pressure mass spec or gas chromatograph mass spec. But we want those kind of technologies so we can get overlapping technologies to get answers. Because going back to when I had a Raman device and a IR device, and they told me 2 different things, does it make sense that these 2 different things would be present? And so that's where we're going with when we went for the technology now. So remote air monitoring, I'm telling you right now, it's an Army term, but it is chance contact, okay? Because the coverage is not easy with these types of devices.